What's up guys, my name is DaVinci, and today I'm going to show you how to create a desert scene out of pixel art. Let's get started. Before I start drawing, I'm first selecting my color palette in the bottom right. Now, I'm drawing the first layer, the plateaus. Next, I'll be adding the sand, which is comprised of 2 layers. With the background layer done, it's time to do the foreground. I'm adding some rocks onto the foreground as an accent. Now comes the easy part, filling everything in. The only thing left is to do the background. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe for more pixel art, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!